He was denied due process of law.
What happened to the arrest or the illegal arrest of the former president?
Ato nang i-clarify, doon ako na red notice. But you know what?
Can you enlighten
Kita
us?
na ako sa Interpol, walay red notice. Nakalista kin sa doon ay red notice dito. Rodrigo Duterte, Philippines. Walay red notice. Red notice is nothing more than a request issued by the Interpol worldwide asking the member countries to locate and arrest provisionally. There is no such thing as a warrant of arrest. Not even the International Criminal Court. They called it a diffusion. Lower than a red notice, still a request. Kanigong pag-arrest sa iya is illegal. One, for two reasons. One, we are no longer a member of the ICC. We withdrew our participation. Number two, ang balaod sa gawas, dili na effective din sa Pilipinas. In like manner, ang atong balaod sa Pilipinas, dili po na effective sa gawas. For that matter, ang warrant of arrest, something like a diffusion or a red notice outside, is nothing more than a request. It's not compulsory for the government of the Republic of the Philippines to obey. Unta, kung isunod nila ang process, giagi to sa korte, requesting the local court to issue a warrant of arrest because under the Constitution, no warrant of arrest shall be issued except by a judge after due examination of the complainant and his witnesses who will issue the warrant of arrest to detain. Then dalhon si Duterte balik sa korte because it is now the judge ang magbuot unsay buhaton but wala na lasunda ang procedure. He was denied due process of law.